TV Badwam so eni yadani te kote guase ni nkwanshan sama edwada no pen so ode abreye de edu so no Adom TV Badwam kase so wo Facebook /Adom TV kase no ewo ho na fe Go TV 119 DSTV 280 and some ne to jo mu bi ya wo betie ni independent power producers se adwimpo bi a wo mo enya ye se nyinam ahoden one more atwam one business one more twam no one more abodi asensen ye bekọ ho ye de munstri mu no abrabo eni da kwan sa 2023 ye afarefo close season no adru na no kosen mu odin na asoye no de ama wona ya na edu so awobu ani gu so eno ne sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase me amesom ma no pay me de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mutie so den samni chemu ankasa etie Independent power producers editu jasen kan hihye bi ewo hono ma July bosome no da na nkedi ekane no nkaro wono mo ene ECG ayonkofo no de nko wo mu twetwamu ani ene nkrata aba adwenpo na wo mu nyaaye no wasesa wadwen de afri ho eba ne sei Adom TV kase etwaso
Chamber of Independent Power Producers of Ghana IPPG ede abetu dwa se de omo bekoso ede enyinima hoden ama Electricity Company of Ghana na omanfo akoso adankaniam ama wonani age esem a womo akruchi gu nkratam no womo chiemu se womo nya sikabotini bi efi ECG ho asese no ama omahoden so womo bekoso ede enyinima hoden ama ECG ewon hihye ya womo egina so no womo esan ede tudwa se womo sike bi a womo ehwe enim no womo hwe se aban no ene mpenifoɔ ebetutu niema yi na ɔmakoso ede enyinemu nkanea ama ɔmanfoɔ na akoye sade a wɔn besan atwe wɔn ho ama ɔmanfoɔ asan abeda dum so mu biem wɔn san ebo committee a wɔn ene wɔn mrahye bedwom a wɔn na wɔn da eye mines ene energy anu wɔnamontu a wɔn etuye eboaye a wɔn ensa etimi ka wɔn sika enkrata a wɔn ede baaye onipa ne nsa ehye ase eye chief executive officer emajumeko no eleplem kombla akpetobo
Oswafo ya wode de share fishery and aquaculture so the course mu den pa na ma bafarefo a ekobasa ye tumu se close season ye tumu a na o ma fa chire na epono so no the course mu den na ma wom so ontwo hu free ho nti samra no se de tie no ene won mu bedi se de tie pepepe Adom TV kase etwaso.
This note, I declare the season closed for artisanal canoes and inshore vessels from the 1st to 31st of July 2023 and for the trawlers 12 vessels on the 1st of July to 31st of August 2023. Thanksgiving of the official closure ceremony in Elmina is therefore part of activities to highlight the importance of Elmina in the fisheries sector.
Nwachi and Regina Solomon are national president, Emma National Fish Processors and Traders Association, and so far Quanyano so. It is ready to swafui and muse. Premix found one watch chama afarefo no. One fan any chiripa is I say afarefo and san cancer found.
The real fishermen are not getting the premise. The real fishermen want in your premise. No bianca mami premise nos. About not much check. Tell me I don't bend the Pia Conchi. No, I told you 2008. Mammy, I feed the Chichuano. Which your back when the better. Chichuano, Mama, I am who say, who about who can you buy mouth.
Steven Ajokache, Ghana Industrial Trawlers Association President, Monoso Edensem C. and Etwaso.
As you are no doubt aware, the practice of transshipping fish from industrial trawl vessels to canoes at sea stopped way back in 2021. But we still hear some people talking about transshipment. I don't know where they are getting their stories from.
Ghana for be a womoteboa who afija kwa bre south mensinemu e wa santamantemu kwasiada ye kwa sore won de na ye kire ye mu de ede atia enyumaku a womo paibo e wo kuro no so na wonu kire mu a esambo na womo paie no ase wonya pade bebre de ma bebre na ekoso wo hono mu a ense de ntwaye ebinom ni Adom TV kase edi nkomoyi
Me am she papa. Me am she me pa.
Probably will be because we are quite so too many.
Yakasi a bepa one tra, and yet three. If you says, what about now? Fear your men, I say.
Say, ye Gina way. Me dining yina and winina say. Ye peer by me, Tibia says.
By say, no, I'm where I'm 2 more. Debesino, and your papa. Dear Yakin, woman, tea. Nasa kwaso sa na de yesi ya yeso ya ho betoye no ye ho ato
nyine ba ko kan bi wo mu ewo krum honom Anthony Boateng enso di tuja say dwumakui ya paabo ewo krum honom dwumadi a wodie no e ade se ha wono mu adwene a edu sunsan so boni bebre ababegya won so ne senti aban ene mensini no enye hyehye na enemu ya wo metu wonom emfi krum honom
nananom DC assemblyman committee for ets say so mo yi hanom ama o mo yi ye peace and love ye hanom no ama say blasting mekunya dia say China for no be blasting na so ni papia obesia bia so be announcement say de nwane nko hye ba bi na o nya blasting ni bia no say ni ba kwani ye so ni mu a ye de mla be hye nsem
Adrobafo ne akwantufo efa se kwa de FM wo sampa kwan no so no wo mo sese kwan no nye enye kura nso tutu kura de ne wo mo wiewie ho wo mo sere mpanifo pa wo mo mra na kwan no kakra na aka no wo meye ma wo se be ya so akona bedie no ebebo akwantufo ene ahyenkafo
no de enye kura ye kwan no de inimwae ti gisa gana aban obeboaye because kwano se ya kazi ya adwuma wo kwazi nyina bebre abreki akafie ya kwano de enye kura ne se ya nimia pa na ye de ya adwuma sa di ya kwano de enye boa ya se ya gipukura na nka nye sa na se ya ge na enam se kwan na enye nti na mana basa nti gisa aban omoboaye pa nye sa fi we de vote de lai
o sa kwan ejira su ye free akosampa ye kasu nyina kwan we na nyina de fa so enuane nyina ba re nyina fa kwan we so na no kra nyamenu kwan nye mi se kra no kwan we se me faso kra na ya na aya me style ya dwon sa ye de Ghana no en shedan ka ho because mpuntu bia ni ho atan ha yenya bi
nye enye kra ateke na wo kwan too much so we yare kra ko doctor wo brepa nyezi ti sraban sa omwae oyemwa
akwantufuo bi a wofasa akwan no so ene amane boni twetwe nkomo na wono nso de tuja se de aban ayi nani afiri akwan a ewoten mensini ni mu a wonye na agene se oba beyi ama wonom no wonom ene nye ho wonam sayo so de adesede ato aban ani mu se omeye wonom akwan nyina ema wonom
nka ensese ke to abakura wo Ghana maimu yakwane de nya so giregyina so kura yentimi kura fa kwan so kura munchimo kan kwa so to a gise ya pai ko fata no kuro nti yakwane de
anu kura hu ba bia on fa kan no kura mfa ayeti se pool ene da kwan no kwan ne de in fact enye enti se mwa bi wo ho ayese aban no bo a ombo na omonye maye because
Doma hine wanwanso eye president dema eye Bono Regional House of Chiefs eye osiade yo osaje for Dr. Adom Beduya otosumienu na wode adese na to eye aban lawyer pani na bi so akode ama aban na nkasa se asen not mrahye bedwani ni case na wo court nkabe ya wo munyi free ho ni nchiremu eni
Mr. and the Attorney General of Ghana emrama ne kwane se ade bi ekoso na ohwe Ghana fo anigye nim a otumi yede otwaso na no asenof baye se papa no batwa na konyanum so onya MPB o no bankoto foforo batoma na se bantu amano bantu amano anya overwhelming majority no nyae 57.56 oya bibi ketwa wa Badwam. As a matter of urgency, I'm appealing to the President of the Attorney General, President of the Republic, if he has any role to play, that trial should be aborted. The Attorney General should, as a matter of urgency, file a nolle prosequi to end that particular decision. Sir, make a way because but twice ma ye did the Ghana for attempt ye did the ascend north for attempt no kweni samre engine ho minhu sabi mfaso bia e de bebra Ghana said damfo no ye be kwa prosecute no na sa odi ne gina court a na ba to amani MP adwuma na obere na kwakọ ankoyo amaya nshamra papa amasa bi Ghana for enye adwuma amampuntu akwa na obetima blame no it's on this day na me catch say Samri you are president you know I love you this matter cannot go on
TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no kane ye mampani John Evans Atamils efiri mo no fie duni ne free se pani ne to ye no one more lectures ahodo na ne fie dudie mu no Professor Adom ne Kotu ya we Dean of Students wo University of Energy and Natural Resources e wo sunyane de to ye NDC amanyuko no anim se one more aban ebasoa kane mampani John Evans Atamils amemu mu die mu ye no wo so mbeye bi Adom kase etwaso.
The characteristics of outstanding leadership in our day are President Mel's humility, imaginative leadership, dedication to democracy, human rights, incorruptible and abhorrence to violence. He has left behind a legacy of achievements and credentials. He offers a benchmark by which we must assess everyone seeking higher political office in this country. I firmly believe that the only way we can make our democracy in our beloved country to produce the greatest good for the largest number of people is by enforcing its laws. I therefore want to say, with all humility, that the NDC, as a researcher, as I speak with you, have about 72% chance of coming into office in 2025. I humbly appeal to them to adopt at least 60% of the governance style of Professor J.E. Mills. In fact, as a lecturer, if you go to the university today and ask even a final year student that there's an aeroplane at the Kutuka International Airport, free, will he go or complete his studies? That student will leave and go. Why? Because something is fundamentally wrong in our nation. I leave you that by the time we all live here today, we must adopt one of the living styles of J.E. Mills. Other than that, we have not achieved his goals.
Professor Tamils died on 24th July 2012 at 68 years. The final 10th anniversary lecture will be in Kumasi later this month. Precious Semevo, Joy News, Sunyai.
Maento akasiano eso na sebeye na emebunu ya womo memu benye adwuma ye na womo nso ye mebunu womo na momnimdie no onyansa so ye womo ankasa nwuma no nwuma ho nsem betimi aba from International Entrepreneurs and Innovation Program for womo frase e bo pro na womo awankasa wo nwuma nso obetimi ene mebunu no bi ahia akyerekye womo sebeye enwuma ya abedane adeso a mebunu dodo no anya bi enye no Ombefasa kunya isuwenya biaya Adom TV kase etwasu
NEIP abaye tu yesi ho say yen so ankran nwuma mu especially ya mabunu efi infie dunwatwe ekosi aduanan na se wo adwuma bi anan elisuade bi wo wani so a NEIP say ye beso wasene na yede sika ahyem na ya ma onkranhye na ya ma ho akade a ka ho na wotimi e da tre wadwumanim na we no esan say Ghana for ye dɔɔso ntino yentimi emfa ma obi a entine ya ne say e be ni competition e be na kansie ti kansie no wo the application tuma oko www.neip.gov.gh now the application I then atu
Vanessa Aisha Limali one more wenya National Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program ne so mfa so wane amani buni atwetwe nkomo
ti am product in 35 supermarkets more Melcom more Palace more Maxmart my product in your friend vanilla wheat crunch NEIP more supporting me pan because if I didn't apply for the presidential pitch, I wouldn't be here by now. I wouldn't be in 35 supermarkets. True that I've been able to hire about 25 employees. I've been able to hire about 10 people in the supermarket. So I currently have about 10 merchandisers in the supermarket.
Ana ni di hye bia nyame ato ne nsam akoye adoye ewo Nzema East Mensino emu enipa be se 7000 de yade se nsuo ase wo munya pade nyina na no na nei wakwakoboa wo mo anwa na nuoma ahodo a wo mani atutu egu wo nsami obetumi ede adi dwuma ni manimi ya Adom TV kase etwaso
se ubi no se osobeboa inyanoma wo dominance akrozo sunwa amfa na petro sai remo nyina sisia no amho akwanhim fo bebre ene be yomoda wo mbedi kwa di te besre momra to their aid because ebinum dem boni ade de akofo ntimi nyene nyina di kakaro no so awon dem besoso no ene watuma di mesre timamufo a bukaka wo msa momra na meboa ntofo modom na sen no petro
James Akpo ene Matthew Ampon assembly members ewo Nzema East Mensini ni mu wonum ene gina manfo won ho aka anamu ede saa adoye efri panyini eho no mo
abraya mu 300 pass stinapa ene freighter nti yabafa sa kwanya wisu ni adana na open mining and construction as wo mo akasi a de abua communities a so e afọ communities a zi mo ba na ifeti no na ye for communities Duran pansia ka ho awrozo dominance ba me anko enebre eni bebra ekeka ho
obi amfa phone pra afre no at otie ina be ba me anko ni ada areas emboa ni rekan say na say na onko so emboa draman yenso ye tanachi awubi ayo
Adroba for best 300 one license wo ebi mo sokra mpode won mo enibi enne di ataje won ate den na free say won na so bedwani o won fantema na batom pesua so filia mensa Hayford etumi atwatwa sa aka ni nyina ma won enibi anya bi won ade wo so ye renew di ama wo Adom TV kase etwaso
renew your license why you even new registration one of our license for that mon motorbikes na adina no why your registration for that mon this is the motivation why the member of parliament odinya omande dem dumedi Badwam so when the infantiman population there super papa na for now no the target is say at least nya nipa kra no over 1000 there say expect to say you betimi na yensa akomo amobeye
senior technician engineer our Cape Coast DVLA Imano Frimpon opoku enso ede nsem sei na tudwa
sebe onam kwan so a o nyema ebre so wu hu yo kwan so nhye ya Ghana your friend the Road Traffic Act that's 2004 and then regulation 20 that's regulation 2012 no and boy ho ban nti na DVLA ya be pimo ha se ya say wo ba ha se ya do fanity
a driver for ya womo enya emwe free mrahye bedwani hoyi womo so nsem omudi tudwa no ebini
kai wechi no obotue ni na e de amount we kire eye MP a yenya no ewo Mfanteman enti de beka se nyame nhira no no oma no kwatenten ene ahoden
ma me no wabo en because first no license ni ya no onye easy cry so yame adoma ma me no oba last year November mu na no ba ye from say memra na me makresa me se baka me ba so wa ma extension nti me wo gizi de obasia ba